You seen them? These incredibly emotional, heartwarming pictures are flooding every corner of the internet. Your favorite celebrities are doing it, your friends are posting them, and maybe you've even shed a little tear scrolling through them. It's the hug your younger self trend, where people are using AI to create these beautiful Polaroid-style photos of their adult selves embracing their inner child. You might be thinking, that looks complicated, or I'd need some serious Photoshop skills for that. Well, what if I told you that you need zero editing skills, and that you can create your own completely for free in less than 5 minutes using just 2 photos from your phone? In this video, I'm not just going to show you how to do it. I'm going to walk you through every single step. I'm going to give you the exact copy-paste prompts that are going viral so you don't have to guess. And stick around until the end, because I'll share some pro-level tips and secret variations that will make your image stand out from everyone else's. You are not going to want to miss this. Let's get into it. So what's the big deal? Why has this one trend connected with millions of people on such a deep level? It's because this is more than just a filter or a cute edit. It's a digital time machine. It's a way to visually represent a conversation with your past, to offer comfort to the little kid you used to be, and to reflect on how far you've come. People like Pakistani actress Mara Hokhane and Bollywood superstar Alia Bhatt have shared their own versions, showing just how universal this feeling is. The magic behind this entire trend is a powerful piece of technology from Google called Gemini, and a specific feature that sounds a bit funny, but is incredibly powerful: Nano Banana. Now don't let the name fool you. Nano Banana is a state-of-the-art AI model that lives right inside the Gemini app. It's designed to create and edit super high-quality images in seconds. It can turn you into a 3D figurine, create vintage edits, and most importantly for us, it can take 2 separate photos and blend them together seamlessly. What makes it so good for this trend is its incredible character consistency. It does an amazing job of keeping the faces from your photos looking like, well, you. All the images it creates are watermarked, so everyone knows it's AI generated, which is great for transparency. This trend blew up when people discovered that with a few simple words, a prompt, they could command the AI to merge their current and childhood photos into these touching scenes. So let's get you set up to do the exact same thing. All right, it's tutorial time. I want you to see just how easy this is. We're going to break this down into 5 simple steps. Step 1, get your photos ready. You need 2 pictures. First, a relatively recent photo of your adult self. A clear, front-facing selfie or headshot works best. Second, dig through those old family albums or your parents' Facebook and find a childhood photo. Again, one where your face is pretty clear is ideal. If the angles are similar, that's a bonus. But honestly, Gemini is smart enough to handle it even if they're not. Step 2, head to the playground. Now, you're going to need to access the Nano Banana model. Go to Google Gemini, click on Create Images. Step 3, upload your 2 images. Once you have chosen the Nano Banana option, kindly upload the 2 images. Step 4, enter the magic prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you want it to create. You'll see a text box where you can type. You need to describe the scene, the style, the emotion, everything. But don't worry, you don't have to come up with this yourself. In the next section, I'm giving you the exact viral prompts to just copy and paste. Here is the prompt. A Polaroid-style photograph of the adult from the first uploaded image hugging the child from the second uploaded image. They are posing cutely together with warm smiles in a cozy living room. Soft lighting, vintage filter, high detail, realistic. And finally, step 5, generate and refine. Hit that enter button and watch the magic happen. In just a few seconds, Gemini will give you its first attempt. Look at that, how cool is that? Now what if it's not perfect? This is where Nano Banana is a game changer. You can use conversational editing. You can just type a follow-up command like, make the hug a little tighter, or change the background to a sunny park. You don't have to start all over again. Okay, pause. Do you see how simple that was? I want you to try this right now. I've put the link to the Gemini right at the top of the description below. Open it in a new tab, grab your photos, and follow along with me for this next most important part. Because now I'm going to give you the secret sauce. All right, you're ready to go. You have your photos uploaded. What do you type into that little box to get the absolute best results? I've scoured the internet and pulled the most popular, most effective prompts that people are using to go viral. Get ready to screenshot or just copy these directly. First up, the one that started it all. Prompt 1, the emotional reflection. Create a heartfelt Polaroid of the grown-up version of me. From photo 1, gently hugging my younger self from photo 2. The adult looks protective and loving, the child curious and happy. Set in a misty park at sunset with golden light. Hyper-realistic, 4K emotional depth. See the difference? The words protective, loving, and misty park at sunset completely change the mood. This is perfect for those really reflective Instagram posts. Prompt 2, the playful variation. A fun, cinematic Polaroid where the adult me, image 1, is giving a big bear hug to my kid self, image 2. Both laughing, wearing matching outfits. Background, colorful playground, high contrast, vibrant colors, detailed expressions. This one is fantastic. The keywords laughing, matching outfits, and colorful playground tell the AI to create something joyful and energetic. And for those who love that old-school grainy photo look, prompt 3, the retro childhood vibe, vintage Polaroid of adult self, upload 1. Embracing younger self, upload 2. In a sepia-toned room filled with old toys, soft grain, warm tones, nostalgic atmosphere. Keep faces accurate to references. The words sepia-toned, soft grain, and old toys are key here. It creates a powerful sense of looking back at a distant memory. Finally, for the perfectionists out there who want maximum control. Prompt 4, the advanced and detailed prompt. Hyper-realistic Polaroid. The 30-year-old woman from image 1, with long brown hair and blue eyes, hugging her 5-year-old self from image 2, who has pigtails and a red dress. They're on a beach, waves in background, emotional, tearful joy on faces. Cinematic lighting, 8K resolution. With this one, you're not leaving anything to chance. You're specifying your age, hair color, clothing, location, and even the exact emotion. The more specific you are, the closer the AI will get to the image in your head. Okay, you've got the prompts. You're creating amazing images. Now, how do we make them even better? Here are a few pro tips that will take your creations from good to absolutely breathtaking. Tip number 1, be hyper-specific. I touched on this, but it's the most important rule. Don't just say hug. Say a tight, comforting embrace from behind, or a gentle hug with foreheads touching. Describe the lighting. Is it soft morning light or dramatic cinematic lighting? The more details, the better. Tip number 2, talk to the AI. Remember the conversational editing? Use it. If the first image is 90% there, don't start over. Just type a follow-up. Make the child smile a little bigger. Warm up the colors. Remove the tree in the background. Treat it like you're directing a photographer. Tip number 3, think like a photographer. Use camera terms in your prompts. Words like low-angle shot, wide-angle shot, or macro shot can change the entire composition of your image. And a neat trick, Gemini and Nano Banana will usually default to the aspect ratio of the last image you uploaded. So if you want a portrait-style image, upload that one last. Tip number 4, use positive framing. This is a weird quirk with most AIs. They work better with positive commands than negative ones. So instead of saying no buildings in the background, it's more effective to say in a peaceful, open park surrounded by nature. Tell the AI what you want, not what you don't want. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful and your mind is already racing with ideas, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It takes 1 second, it's completely free for you, and it tells YouTube that this tutorial is actually helping people, so it can show it to more creators like you. It means a ton. Thanks. So, there you have it. The viral hug your younger self trend isn't just a fleeting social media game. As we've seen, it's a powerful and surprisingly easy way to connect with your own story. With tools like Google Gemini and Nano Banana, we can create art that is deeply personal, emotional, and reflective. It's a chance to look back and give your inner child a little bit of love and recognition. And with over 96 million views on TikTok for related prompts, it's clear this idea of self-love and reflection is something we all need a little more of right now. Now, I want to hear from you. And more importantly, I want to see what you create. Try it out for yourself using the link in the description. Drop a comment below telling me one piece of advice you'd give to your younger self. I'll read every single one. And finally, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and get easy to follow tutorials on all the latest viral AI trends, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching. Now go give your inner child a hug. I'll see you in the next video.